Hi, I'm Dylan from BR Consulting, and today I'm going to be showing you how to restore a file from your backup PC server to your Linux container or virtual machine. So, in this case, what we're going to do is first of all, you're going to want to go to your backup PC GUI, and once you're there, you're going to head to the host that you want to grab the file from. You could also be doing this to transfer a file from one host that has a backup PC backup to another. Um, and once you've gone there, you're going to have your file list. Now, here, before doing anything, I'm going to modify a file just to show you. Um, so let's go ahead and do nano etc add user conf. And we're going to do this file was modified by Dylan. I'm going to save. And if I do a head -n4 of that file, we're going to see that this was saved. So I saved it and I modified the file, and it's no longer the same as in our backup. So if we go to our backup, if we go here and we do a download of the file, and we go ahead and open it, for example, with WordPad, you're going to see that it is the original file. It does not have that header over there. So let's say you modified a config file and you want to restore the backup because it's broken or whatever. All you have to do is you go to your backup, you go to the file that you wanted to restore, you click it, you select it, and then you do restore selected files. Then here you can select to which host. In this case, I only have one host in this backup PC server. And then once you've selected the host, you can select the share path, which is the root in this case. And then we are going to do it to etc. So we're going to do, actually, if you leave a double slash, it doesn't change anything because it interprets the same path correctly. You also have two other ways of doing it, which are actually one other way of doing it, which is downloading an archive, a compressed archive, and then manually restoring the file through, for example, rsync or SCP. But if you have everything configured correctly on the backup PC client, then it should work with this method, which is direct restore. Now, this is going to do it through rsync. And if it doesn't work for you, then I'm going to show you a tiny change that you have to do from the previous tutorials that I did to your sudoers file. So we're going to go ahead and hit restore. And if we do restore, then it's going to say reply from server was okay, requested restore. And if you go to status, here host summary, you're going to see that it says last attempt, restore, done, if it was successful. And if we go to our client here now, and we do a head of the file, you're going to see that the original file has been restored. Now, in the event that this gives you an error, you're going to have to modify the following thing on your sudoers .d/backupPC file, which we created in a previous tutorial. You're going to have to grab this top line over here, and you're going to have to allow any argument to be passed, which I did not want to have to do, but honestly, you can't really restrict it more than to this specific command. So once you've done that, you can do vsudo or vsudo -c, and it's going to tell you parsed okay, and you're going to be able to do the direct restore to that client.